So 4 factorial, which is nothing but 24. So what will be the answer? 24 divided by 360. What is the answer, guys? 24 ones are 1 by 15, right?
Yes, sir.
It should be 1 by 15. Option, ignore about the options. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then no problem. Okay, now we'll back to our okay trains. Okay, guys, a train 150-meter long is running with the speed of 54 kilometer per hour. In what time will it pass a telegraph post?
10
How many of you
seconds.
attended? Okay, how many of you are attending my lectures, morning or evening? Yeah, Pratik, I know you. What about others? How many of you are attending all my lectures? Why you guys are not attending my lectures? Why you guys are not attending APT lectures? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Those who are attending, they should know to solve this problem within a 30 second. It is possible, guys, right? But to solve this in a 30 seconds, you have to take some efforts. This can't be done in 2 hours, okay? So you have to study for APT thoda seriously. You guys are not taking it seriously. Even you are not taking seriously the requirement. You don't know about the company and all. Okay, this should not be happen to you guys. You should be like, if the placement is there, you have to think like this is my last opportunity. Okay, and you have to give your more than 100%. What you guys are doing? This is very simple problem. This is the basic problem of the trends. Only 1 2 people I know, they are attending the lectures. They can solve it. Okay. This is not going to work, guys. If you come to the grooming for 2 hours and we will take some topics, we'll take some doubts, and then you can clear apti. No, this is not going to happen like that. If you have to clear the apti, you have to be thoda sa, because the guys, If you look at your competition itself within a branch, there is a competition. Okay, for 10 vacancies, there are more than 100 or 200,000 people are applying for 10 vacancies. One is to 10 ka ratio is are doing. You will be the first to eliminate because you haven't cleared your apti. Okay, this is not something huge, but this is something you have to do. This is very easy topics. These are very easy topics. You can solve it. You can, uh, what we can say that in 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you can solve each question. But for that, you have to take efforts. You are taking efforts in the other topics, right? You're doing Java or whatever. You're technical, you are doing it. But how you are going to face that technical interview? You have to first clear what? Aptitude. It's your loss, guys, not mine. Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only two, three people are there who are responding. What about others? ऑनलाइन है तो सब लोग कहीं गायब. Okay. In train problems, guys, first you should know some concepts. That is, first is the relative speed concept. What is relative speed, guys? If two objects are moving in same direction, what will be the relative speed? Two objects are moving in the same direction. The relative speed will be x minus y. And if two objects are moving in the opposite direction, what will be the speed? X plus y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second thing about the trains you should know that to pass a point object, what is point object, guys? A man or a pole, okay? A pole, a man, whatever it is, point object. So we can consider them as a point object. What man, pole, okay, whatever. To pass this object, how much distance should this train move or travel? If the length of the train is LT, how much distance this train should travel to cover this pole, to cross this pole? To completely cross this pole, how much distance it should travel?
Train length.
Length of a
Length of the train.
distance, yeah, length of train. Okay, and if this train has to cross any length object such that platform, bridge, or
Tunnel.
tunnel, or there is other train. Okay, so these kind of length object, how much distance should this train travel to completely cross this length object? I'll say this is the LP. What distance should the train travel?
Train length plus platform length.
Length of train plus length of platform.
Platform.
Okay. Okay. So this is the basics, guys. Okay. This you should know. How to convert kilometer per meter to meter per second, kilometer per hour to meter per second.
5 by 8.
5/8.
18.
5/18. Kilometer per hour to meter
Meter
per
per second.
second. Multiply by 5/18. Meter per second to kilometer per hour. Multiply by 18 by 5. Okay. So now you can see that those who are attending lectures, please see here. The number given is 54 again. And we know that what is 54 kilometer per hour in meter per second? 54
5
kilometer
meter.
per hour is equals to 18 threes are 15, so 5 threes are 50. 15 meter per second. Yes or no, guys?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now, to pass a pole, how much distance should the train travel? Distance?
150 meter.
That is 150 meter. That is the length of train. Right? The length of a train is given to you 150 meter. Okay? And the speed you have, then what is the time, guys? What is the formula for speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. So what is distance? 150 divided by speed is 15. So your speed will be equal to 10 meter per. Okay, sorry, 10 speed name. So time is equals to 10 seconds. Is it clear? Isn't that simple question, guys?
Yes, sir.
We should know what to do. Okay. Okay. This is थोड़ा सा level up question, guys. Okay. Now, okay. Question. This is थोड़ा सा tough, guys. थोड़ा सा, not at all. Okay. What they have given you for this question, you should know some basics. Okay. What they have given you, I'll tell you some basics of that. What is speed, guys? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay. So what is the relation between speed and time if I keep the distance constant?
Directly proportional.
Inversely proportional. So I can write down S1 upon S2 is equals to T2 upon T1. If I keep time constant, what is the relation between S and D? Speed is directly proportional to distance. S1 upon S2 is equals to D1 upon D2. And if I take speed constant, Distance is directly proportional to time. So d1 upon d2 is equals to t1 upon t2. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, what they have given here? The two trains running in opposite directions. So two trains are there. They are running in the opposite direction. We don't know the length of each train. Okay. So what is if we consider that like a speed of the train A will be x, speed of the train B will be y. Okay. Now, what is this is engine, this is engine. Now, this train is crossing a platform. Man standing on a platform. Okay, there is a man who is standing on a platform. Train A takes how much time, guys? 27 seconds.
27 seconds.
Okay. Yeah. So time is equals to what? Distance. Okay, that length of train that will be Lx or इसका क्या रहेगा Ly whatever. It is taking how much time? 27 seconds. A is taking 27 seconds. Okay, time taken by A to cross a man, and time taken by B to cross a man is nothing but 23 seconds. Okay, now tell me, guys, what is the length of train that we don't know? Okay, we don't know nothing. Okay, so what I'll do, time is equals to what? What is the formula for time? Time is equals to distance upon speed. We don't know the distance, but distance is nothing but the length of train. Yes or no? Because this train is crossing a man, which is a point object. So it will be length of train divided by speed of train, which is equals to x. So I can write down Lx is equals to 27x. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On similar note, the 23 seconds can be equal to distance travel is Ly divided by y का speed. So Ly is equals to 23y. Is it clear?
Sir, 17 by 17 से आगे ना.
17. Okay, sorry. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now what to do, I'll tell you. Ly, Lx. Okay, done. So to cross each other, they have given you. To cross each other, they take how many seconds? To cross each other, they take 23 seconds. To cross each other, how much distance they should travel, guys? Length of both train,
Alex plus Ly.
Lx plus Ly. Okay. And how much with the speed? Speed क्या होगा? Relative speed.
Plus. Plus.
Okay. So if the speed is x plus y and they are taking how much time? 23 seconds. Then distance is equals to Lx plus Ly is equals to speed into time. Speed is x plus y into time is 23. But what is Lx? 27x. What is Ly? 17y is equals to 23x plus 23y. Okay. So this 23 goes on this side, 17 goes on this side. So you got what? 23 minus 7, 27 minus 23, which is equals to 4x, and 23 minus 17, which is equals to 6y. So x upon y is equals to 6 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 2. So option D will be right answer. Option D will be right answer. If you want, take a screenshot. I'll give you 5 seconds for that. Take a screenshot, guys. And in paper, are you going to do this? This is the traditional way. Still, this is the simplest way. By using this technique, by using this concept, I can solve. But again, it is taking a lot of time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how many of you attended my lecture for mixture and alligation? Is there anyone who attended my lecture in mixture and alligation? Is there anyone who have attended my mixture and alligation lecture? Nobody. Venki, you have not attended my lecture?
I attended, sir.
You have attended, right? Pratik,
Yes, sir.
have you attended?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Now, guys, see this thing. You have taken the screenshot, right? So you have the answer. Now, see how easily we can solve this problem by just using mixture and alligation. Write it down: 27, 70, 23. Sorry. Apply alligation. This will be 6. This will be 4. 3 is to 2. The answer will be this. So if the same type of question comes, you will apply what? Mixture and alligation. Okay, for that they will give you the time for first train to cross a man on the platform. Okay, time for the second train to cross a man on a platform, and time to cross each other. Okay, so this is your first train. So I'll write it as X and this is Y. Is it clear to everyone? But this can be applied for particular problems only. Okay, so there are variety of problems and variety of tricks for each type of question. Okay, so that's why in one lecture we can't complete it, and that's why we are conducting the lectures of aptitude. If you are not attending lectures, then it's your loss, guys. Okay, these kind of tricks are taught in the particular lecture. So if you are not attending that, then it's your loss, guys. Okay, because you will take, like, if you want to solve it, you are good at it. Okay, I have no doubt. Okay, you guys are very good. You guys are very intelligent. That I know. But still, some tricks you might don't know. Okay, so to understand those tricks, you have to attend those lectures. Okay, Shubham,
Yes, sir.
do you know this trick? You
Could you
solved this
do
question or not?
what, sir?
Have you solved this question by your own?
Yes, sir. जो
Uh,
आपने किया वही.
okay, by that long method, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the problem, guys. You guys are intelligent, I know, but we don't know the. I'm telling you guys, you don't know the tricks because you are doing smart, you are doing hard work, but something is needed called as smart work. Okay, by doing less efforts, you can solve it. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Cool. The average speed. What is the average speed, guys? Average speed. I'll write down the formula for you guys. Average speed is equals to total distance, total distance covered divided by total time taken. Solve this one, guys. होईल 10 मिनिटात. Done? So when is your aptitude round? Have you received any mail?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Apti round?
No,
You
sir.
have you don't have any idea. Okay, okay, okay. Answer, guys. 225 plus 370 will be equals to 595 divided by how many hours? 8.5 hours. Hmm. I don't know the formula for 8.5, so I'll write it down. 8.5 double, so I'll multiply it by 2. So 595 into 2. 17 ones are 2, the 17. Oh,
70.
yeah.
70.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Go for this one.
First option, sir.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
It was muted for long, long time. 6 divided by 1.5, which is equals to again 4 hour. This 8 kilometer at the speed of 2. So it will take 4 hours. And this 32 kilometers with the speed of 8, it will again take 4 hours. So total time of the journey will be equals to 12 hours. Okay. And what is
11.5,
the
sir, na?
total distance? Huh?
11.5, sir, na? Time.
Why?
Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hmm. And 6, 8, 14, 14 plus 32, that will be 46. So this will be 3 complete 10 by 12, which is equals to 3 complete 5 by 6. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Solve this one, guys. Done. Done. Now, what is relative speed, guys?
Plus 12.
Sorry. What is relative speed, guys?
18.
18. Very good book, because they are moving in the same direction. Same direction as the relative speed will be what? 40 minus 22 is equals to 18 kilometer per hour. But 18 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 meter per second. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So to completely pass each other, what distance they should travel? To completely pass each other, they should travel the length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Yes or no? How
Yes,
much
sir.
time they have taken? They have taken 1 minute. They have taken 1 minute, which is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, they are traveling with the speed of 5 meter per second. They have taken the time 60 seconds. So now tell me what distance they have covered. 5 speed into time, that is 5 into 60, which is equals to 300 meter. Okay, so length of train, both the summation of length of train will be equals to 300. One of them is 125, the other will be
175.
cool. What is the average speed? What is the average speed if a person travels from A to B, a person travels from A to B with the speed of 20 meter per second and comes back at the speed of 30 meters per second. What is the average speed?
Option A.
Done? Okay, guys. Now concentrate here. The answer is not 25. How many of you think the answer is 25? So we'll say the distance is x between A and B. Okay, I'll give you the right. I'll give you the direct formula. The average speed in such kind of questions when they are going x distance with the speed of 20 and coming back x distance with the speed of 30. So if the distance is constant and the different speeds are given, okay, so maybe this kind of question they can ask you the half part of a journey he completed with the speed of 30 and the remaining part is completed with the speed of 30. Okay, so these kind of questions they can ask you. Then only your distance will be same. Provided that for this formula will be useful only if the distance is same for the both speeds. Okay, so what is the formula? N into LCM divided by sum of multiple. ओके अब ये सब है क्या पहले आई टेल यू 20 30 व्हाट इज एलसीएम ऑफ 20 एंड 30 गाइस
60.
60 so what is the multiple of 20 3 multiple of 30 2 so put it in a formula how many speeds are there 2 LCM 60 divided by 3 plus 2 which is equals to 2 into 60 divided by 5 which is equals to
24.
your 24 kilometer per hour will be the right option.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, for which company you are going to interview? You are going for interview. Which company?
Odessa.
Odessa. Alright. Now tell me about Odessa. Odessa is what? Service company or product based company?
Product based company. Based.
Product based. What is the product? They are dealing in what? Yes. What they provide? Solution. Uh, Software solutions. At least you should know where is the headquarters,
USA.
who is CEO, who is CEO. आपको नहीं लगता ये सब आपने देखना चाहिए? Madhu Natarajan is the CEO. Okay, and he is co-founder Jay Mehra. Both are Indian. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Go through it. Thoroughly go through it. Find some questions. Okay, and I'll send you this. I'll send you the links. Go through it. Cool. All the best. If you have any doubt, you can ask. We don't have any doubt. Any doubt, guys? No
No, sir.
doubts. You guys are smart. आपको डाउट ही नहीं रहता है. I'm sharing you the link. Just go through it. Okay, cool. So today's session is over, guys.
सर टेस्ट की लिंक नहीं आया है अब तक.
हाँ वो आएगा आएगा. Okay, if you want any help, you can ask me on Skype. I
Okay,
can
sir.
help you in test also, if it is possible. Are you guys getting it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You
Thank you,
can
sir.
ask me in Skype. Okay. If there is a if your test is there, just Skype me and confirm the availability of myself. Okay. If I'm free, I can help you guys.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
How many of you send questions to the friends?
Hello,
Mm,
sir.
Yes,
What is the time of the test?
you will get it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everything will be informed in the group only. Don't worry. Just check your email.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Take care, guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.